Living Things and Non-Living Things by Ishitha Noolu. First, let us understand the definitions. What are living things? Living things breathe, excrete, move, grow and reproduce. Examples are plants and animals. What are non-living things? Non-living things do not breathe, excrete, move, grow and reproduce. Examples are toys and clothing. First, let us learn about living things. Structural organization. It is divided into 4 parts: cells, tissues, organs and organ systems. Let us learn about them. Cell. A cell is the smallest living structure that is able to function independently. Tissue. A group of similar cells that perform a particular function form a tissue. Organ. A group of tissues performing a particular function inside the body form an organ. Organ system. A group of organs interacting with one another to perform a particular life process such as digestion and respiration form an organ system. Growth and development. Living things grow. Babies grow into adults and seedlings grow into plants. Growth is irreversible. Excretion. Living things remove wastes from their body by the process of excretion. Animals. Solid waste feces, liquid waste urine and gaseous waste carbon dioxide. In plants, gums, resins and latex. Respiration. The process by which living things utilize oxygen to release energy stored in the food they eat is called respiration. In animals, it is through respiration that oxygen is used by the body to obtain energy from food. In plants respire to obtain energy from the food they make by photosynthesis. Reproduction. Living things have the ability to reproduce more of their kind through reproduction. In animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Mammals give birth to young ones, whereas birds lay eggs. In plants reproduce mostly through seeds. Nutrition. Plants. Green plants manufacture their own food by photosynthesis and they are called autotrophs. Animals. Animals cannot manufacture their own food and they are called heterotrophs. Lifespan. All living things follow a life cycle of growth and development in which an organism takes birth, grows into an adult, grows old and dies. Lifespan is irreversible. Movement and response to stimuli. Living things move. Plants cannot move on their own. Let us learn how plants give response to the immediate environment. A change in the immediate environment of an organism which produces a change in the activities of the organism is called a stimulus, plural, stimuli. An organism's reaction to the stimulus is called response. Leaves of touch me not curl up when touched. Touch is the stimulus and curling up of leaves is the response. There we go. You have learned about living things. And you know that non-living things are exactly opposite to living things. It's fact file time! Did you know there are organisms made of just one cell? Isn't it surprising? Yes, Organisms that are made of just one cell are called unicellular organisms. Examples are amoeba and paramecium. Organisms made of more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. Examples are animals, humans, and of course plants. If you want the table of the differences of living things and non-living things, the link is in the description below. Subscribe, like, comment and share for more fun videos. Thank you for watching.